Okay guys, we're here at Duga 2 nearby Chernobyl nuclear reactor, and this is a secret military base. It was a secret satellite that would detect rockets that are coming from the United States. Nobody knew from this about this place, and there's something funny that I have to show you. Look at this statue of Lenin, and it says the food for dog. Oh, they're making fun of Lenin. They call him a dog. This is crazy. So who's gonna feed this dog? I don't have any food.
Well, you should put money in here for the dogs.
No, I will feed the dog. Come on, this is trash. Oh, this is real money.
Yeah,
Whoa.
it's real money.
So now we're walking to Duga 2. Look how big this place is. Oh my god, I want to climb this place, but it's not allowed, unfortunately. Look at that. This is insane. Well, I got my drone here, so I'm going to fly, if I have the time to fly this massive. So this is Duga 2. These are two massive satellites. That's the big one over there. This is the smaller one. Combined, they are 700 and something meters wide and more than 100 meters high. And this is a satellite to intercept American missiles. And there are a lot of myths about this satellite installation because it's a secret military base. Nobody knows about this, or nobody knew about this satellite installation. Even people from nearby Pripyat and Chernobyl didn't know about this place. They were thought that this was a children camp, a school camp. But as you can see, this is not a school camp. This is a massive satellite installation. A lot of people also think that this was to brainwash all the people around Soviet Union. So this was a mind control satellite with radio waves that would actually mind control the people. And yeah, some other people say that this is just a satellite. Anyways, this is also called the Russian Woodpecker because the sound that it makes like tick 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 10 times in a second. It also sounds like a helicopter, and a lot of places around the world, radio, TV, the frequency was disturbed with this massive satellite installation, and yeah, they had a lot of complaints about it. As you know, this is the Russian Woodpecker, or Duga 2, and this is one of the longest tunnels near this place, or even the longest tunnel in Chernobyl district. And this is the control room, so we're going to enter this control room. We need some light. I only have light on my phone, so I will, let's see, stupid camera, let's see how I can turn on the light. So yep, let's film this. Just give me the light. Well, my light on my phone doesn't even do the job. Anyways, see, you have to watch out because there are holes. If you step here inside, you would break your neck, literally. We have to place the C4 somewhere. C4 placed. Whoa. So now we're on the roof of the server building that was controlling this Duga 2, or the Russian Woodpecker. Look. Wow. Oh, are we going to climb that roof over there? Look at this tree. This tree is growing through the building. Trees are stronger than concrete. Yeah, let's go. Where are they? This is the control room, guys.
Oh, so, yeah.
Look at this. Hello guys, I'm going to call to my home. Let's go. Yeah.
To be a scientist is to be naive. We are so focused on our search for truth, we fail to consider how few actually want us to find it. But it is always there, whether we see it or not, whether we choose to or not. The truth doesn't care about our needs or wants. It doesn't care about our governments, our ideologies, our religions. It will lie in wait for all time. And this, at last, is the gift of Chernobyl. Where I once would fear the cost of truth, now I only ask, What is the cost of lies?
Get out of here, stalker.